First, click Create a Contract on the left sidebar. Here you'll see 3 types of contracts. Click Fixed Rate. On this page, fill out the form with information on your contract name, your tax residence, your job title, your seniority level, and your scope of work. You can choose to enter your scope of work here, or you can choose from a list of predefined work scopes. Lastly, select your start date. You can choose to backdate it if you started work in the past, or you can choose a future date. Click Next. Here you will define your payment rate. So first, choose your currency. Then, type in your payment rate based on your payment frequency. Now it's time to select your invoicing preferences. You can choose for your invoice to end on a day of the month, or it can end on a day of the week. Here you can choose when the invoice cycle ends. So you can choose any day of the month. Next, you can choose when the payment is due. So it could be same day or a later date. Then click Next. Here you will define your first payment date. Then you will choose whether you will require the full amount or a prorated amount for the first payment. Then click Next. On this page, you can add additional details to your contract, such as termination date, notice period, additional documents, or special clauses. Then click Next. Here, you can choose to use a deal contract, or you can use your own contract by clicking here and uploading it. Deal contracts are already locally compliant, so they're great in that way. Next, you can choose to require compliance documents or not. By checking this, you mitigate risks for yourself and your client because you're providing all the necessary compliance documents based on your country's local labor laws. Then click Create Contract. Now it's time to invite your client. Click Invite Client. Type in their email address. Then you can personalize this message area to your client if you'd like, and then click Send Invite. And that's it. Your contract is off to your client for their signature. But if you would like to be the first to sign the contract, click Switch Signing Order. Then click Review and Sign. Here you can review the full contract once again. Then enter your full name and click Agree and Sign. And that's it. You just signed your contract and it's ready for your client.